Everyone, so we're not playing Royal High today. I'm going to get to that. Today I'm playing. Oh crap! Ah! I'm scared of Goku. Goku is Goku. Use a water to drown again. Use yourself. Boom. Yeah, like, okay. Yeet. We're just asking, where else can someone yeet themselves into water? Oh yeah, waterfall! Where the water falls. That actually made me laugh. One of my terrible puns actually made me laugh. Adorbs! I'm gonna be adorbus! I'm gonna be adorable! I'm so flipping short. I'm so flipping short. Look how adorable I am. I'm adorable. Print faster. What do you pay? What do I pay you for? No. I'm not gonna look up Hannah Best because hit or miss. I guess I never miss. Just like start singing the cringiest song in the world. Hit or miss. I guess I. Wait, I think Ben Drowned. People depict him as being short. Okay, let's see how people depict him. I don't know. All of them are just him just sitting down, or like not his full length. Okay, like okay, here we go. This is what someone depict. There's I don't know how tall that's supposed to be, but like let's say it's pretty dang tall for Ben Drowned. Sorry if I snort. It's just that my own humor kills me inside. Every bad joke of mine is slowly killing me. Wait, one thing. Wait for it. Oh, wait. Who's that even? Wait, the new Ben Down photo. How did I even Ben Down? Hey, little miss, I guess I never miss, huh? You have a boyfriend, but I never kiss you. Oh my god! That's creepy as heck. I know I usually don't control my kissing, but today I'm at my mom's house, so. Today I'm gonna be jump scaring people on my channel. Oh crap. Oh god, I think, Coco saw me, He's not one, no, don't come near me. You're gonna die. Coco, you're gonna die. You, y'all gonna drown. Y'all gonna drown. Y'all gonna drown. Y'all gonna drown. I need to find something scarier. I need to find something spoopier. Spoopy. I need to look for spoopy. Not adorable, or cute. Wait, super insane. X. Everybody has that time when they have exes. I've had many exes. I've had like 2 or 3 exes or something. I'm looking for the ones where like he stands up. I guess you could say I'm looking for the one that he stands out. Do you hear my voice? I'm just like. Dead. Boom. Drowns. Again. Boom. I'm so much cooler. Just kidding, I'm gonna drown again. Yep, I'm drowning again. Just to find the perfect form to take. Is this the perfect form? Adorable. Adorabus. Adorabus. But, time to drown again. Because, where's the drown in Ben Drowned if he doesn't drown? Someone of him laying down! Oh my gosh, he's adorable! Oh, but, look. If I just stay here, then people are just gonna think, "Aw, he's adorable." You see, I'm truly Ben Drowned. How the heck is this even Ben Drowned anymore? That's just like My Little Pony at this point. Ooh, Statue of Elegance. I haven't played, but I have not planned I never played Legend of Zelda ever. Yeah, I never played it. I'm wanting to. I do have a game for it, but I don't have the right console for it. So yeah, I have to wait to get the right console for it. Which I might make a video on. They have 2 separate things. One is, so I have 2 separate channels. One is for my, more my child-friendly thing. Okay, let's see how adorable this. Oh, wait, I have to become shorter. I have to become shorter to sail. Short. Kiddo. There you go. Adorable. Now you can. Hello. I'm adorable. I'm looking up at him. I'm literally looking up at him. I don't know if he's looking at me or this guy. Just keep his eyes peeled. Know what it feels like to drown. Yep, going back to where we were, like, there's only 5 minutes left. Okay, this is good. I don't know if he's like a full armor person, but like, if he is, like, then that's kind of awkward because there's literally a mess over here because there's a bunch of boxes here. I needs the sleep. Little Ben here needs the sleep. I want to see how many people I can make say aww. Hello. Toby? Hey, Mom. I already made myself.
You made coffee.
Yes.
Oh, you're an angel.
Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. Okay, so I'm role playing, and I'm role playing as Kid Ben John, and this person's role playing as.
Talking to me?
No. So this person's.
Are you talking to me right now?
Yeah. So this person's role playing as Picky Toby, and I'm role playing as Kid Ben John. And look at him. Look how adorable Kid Ben John is.
Okay, you need to lower it though. Okay. So we're all sharing this space here. I'm watching here though.
All of the needs and all of the facts that they're looking at. So this was the first time that we were
Guess he's dead. I guess I'm even shorter than Blueberry. Flip! No! I pretty much died right there. Yeet.
Hey, Maddie, have you had your medicine?
Yeet. Yeet.
Can I have you, take one of each apples? Show me. Look at my glasses. I'm just trying to mess with you. Come on. No. That could go all over the place. I saw them both.
No.
Hey, you're putting it back in your bag.
Yeet. You know what? It's come to where it's meme time.